This is the average day for John Butterworth. No! This happens to him every single day. He drops his camera. Whoa! And breaks his camera. No! Right in the middle of his videos. That's gonna stop for John. Once he finds out that his screen is red. Start filming. Now, John has to face a whole new frontier. Oh yeah, I'm the Master Chief. Yeah, yeah. Oh hey, no, ow. Oh, that hurts me. Ooh. What's the screen? The fake Universal Pictures presents John Butterworth. Oh. And then a new challenge. John has to be perfect. Put your hand on the screen. And then 2 hours later, I'm going to be perfect today. Yes. I actually jumped before. What is with that lady sneezing? Like, don't follow me. Oh, lady. Oh, stop sneezing. I'll get you some sneeze medicine here. You call this sneeze medicine? What to? Oh, that was the sneezing medicine. It's almost 3 minutes. Okay. Rated PG-13.